In this video, I will explain you how to make the product promotions, like it may be any products. So there is an website called Flexclip. You have to visit the website and you have to search this template, or I will provide in the description so that you can directly go to the product promo template. Okay, so you have to you have the two options here. One is AI create, another is using the customize. Okay, so if you create AI, then automatically using the all details, company profile details. Okay, so here we have selected the AI recreate options. So the language you have to select and customize thing. Okay, for example, the product name, I can say that mobile stand, just for, for the example purpose. Then media, so you can upload the product documents. Okay, then then you can upload the images of the photo from where I have selected this. Then so here the number of photos you can upload. Then again you can say generate. Okay, as AI creating, uploading, then analyze, then generate text, then merge. So you can go for multiple text, multiple photos uh, to create more attractive.